A few years ago, I was sitting in a small room, holding an English book in my hands, trying again and again to understand grammar rules. But no matter how hard I tried, nothing stayed in my mind, and I felt completely stuck. Every day, I would memorize new words, and every day, I would forget most of them. And when someone spoke English in front of me, my mind went blank, and I could not say even a simple sentence. I remember one moment very clearly. Someone asked me a simple question in English, and I understood it, but I could not answer. And that small moment made me feel so embarrassed that I decided something had to change. So I stopped doing what everyone told me to do. I stopped focusing on grammar rules all the time, and I stopped forcing myself to memorize long vocabulary lists because it was not helping me speak. Instead, I started doing just one simple thing every day, and that one thing completely changed my English. I started listening every single day, not just random listening, but simple and easy English that I could slowly understand, even if I did not understand everything at first. At the beginning, it felt strange because I was not studying like before, and I thought maybe I was wasting my time. But I trusted the process and continued. I listened to short stories, I listened to conversations, and sometimes I listened to the same audio again and again until the sounds started to feel familiar. Slowly, something surprising started to happen. My brain began to understand English without translating every word, and I noticed that I was not thinking about grammar rules anymore, but I was still understanding. After some weeks, I started understanding more than before. And after some months, I noticed that I could think in English without forcing myself. And then one day, I spoke a full sentence, naturally, without fear, without stopping, and without thinking too much. That was the moment I realized. Fluency is not about grammar, and it is not about memorizing. Fluency comes from daily exposure and simple listening. So if you want to improve your English, do this. Start listening to easy English every day. Choose simple stories and conversations. Do not worry if you do not understand everything. Just keep listening and stay patient. You can listen while walking, while resting, or even before sleeping. Because the more you listen, the more your brain learns quietly. And slowly, without pressure, your English will improve. So from today, start this one simple habit. Daily listening. Trust the process, stay consistent, and you will see the change. If I can do it, you can do it too. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I will listen every day. See you in the next video.